Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review these three PARA64 1:64 scale diecast by Paragon models. So let's start. I have a Audi R8 LMS, like two of them, and a BMW i8 Liberty Walk in 64 scale. So let's start with, of course, with the Liberty Walk BMW. So it's in orange color. The box is nice. Like, this is for the price, I can say it's like, for the details, it's worth the price. So yeah, so it has an acrylic case, nice base, and a nice paper sleeves, box sleeves with I think that's a Japanese flag right there. And I'm not sure if this is a twin ring Motegi or such only a random racetrack, but I'm not sure if you guys know what circuit or racetrack is this one. Comment down below. But since it's Japanese flag in there, probably it's twin ring Motegi. So let me know. Okay, let's on to the car. So acrylic case is nice, simple acrylic case, and the car itself is, for the scale, it's very detailed, I can say. Like, can compete with Mini GT, and you know, Paragon models are been in the business for quite some time now, and they specialize in 1:18 scale, and now they enter the 64th scale because 64th scale now is changing the game of diecast collecting, since it is so small but the details are there. So yeah, so here's the car. The front has a nice Liberty Walk decals, the wide body, as you can see, and the back. Yeah, it's nice actually. The color is nice too. Yeah, the base is just plastic, not like the some kind of house Mini GTs, but all in all, not bad. It's nice. So it will stay on the case, acrylic case, and the sleeves, because it's nice there, looks nice in there. So yeah. Well, next one will be this one, Audi R8 LMS, same box. Yeah, the sleeve have writings on it. It says Audi R8 LMS. Oh, and it has the same racetrack racing circuit, same as the one on, so it doesn't mean that it's Japanese. It's not. So I guess it's not twin ring Motegi then, because every box has that one. Maybe just a random racetrack. So same acrylic case, some writings in it. It says here 2019 Audi R8 LMS, 2019 FIA Macau GT World Cup Team Phoenix number 5. So yeah, so this is an Audi race car with a nice livery on it, as you can see. Ravino. So the driver of this car is CH Haas. I don't know who that is. If you know the guy, comment down below. Maybe he's famous race car driver in FIA. I don't watch any race about FIA, so yeah, don't know the guy. So this is the top view, side view, rear view, another side view, and the front view. So nice details though. Like the livery does a job. Nice. Again, it will stay on the acrylic case. The next one will be, of course, another LMS R8. Same racetrack, same acrylic case, but I like this color more than the yellow one. So this is driven by Van Tour. Don't know the guy also. And it says here 2019 Audi R8 LMS, 2019 FIA Macau GT World Cup, Audi Sports Team WRT number 25. So they compete to each other, same race. So yeah, nice RS decals. This is the top view. See the engine details right there for such a small car. Nice side view, front view, another side view, and the rear. So it's basically the same car, just different livery. And yeah, nice. So that's it for this video. 3 PARA64 cars, 2 Audi R8 LMS, and 1 BMW i8 Liberty Walk. I'm looking forward to get more PARA64 because with these 3, as you can see with the details, it's worth the buy. So well, let's see, maybe in the future we will have some more. So that's it guys, hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button if you love this video, please share it, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys next time, bye bye.